Hey there, my friends. It's me, Klaire. Let's make a sketch with oil paints together. I'm going to demonstrate how to create a relatively quick painting, and I'd love it if you paint along with me. In my example, I'm going to make a sketch inspired by a painting of mine called Brodalesque with Moto Helmet, and you're welcome to do the same. You can also apply the techniques that I use to your own original composition. If you're new to oil painting, I think the best strategy would be to make two paintings. Follow along with me at first as practice, and then create a second original painting right away before you have a chance to forget any of the new skills you just acquired. Of course, you're also welcome to watch this video with zero intention of painting, and that's okay too. If you're curious how some artists paint quickly, kind of like an Impressionist, this tutorial should be beneficial. I'll begin by sharing the supplies I used, go on a little tangent about reference materials, but then I'll show you how to sketch with oils in real time. I'll explain how to tone your canvas, and then I'll reveal how to paint and paint some more. This tutorial is part of the curriculum at the Unaccredited College of Klaire. You can find all sorts of artsy resources at patreon.com/Klaire Lockheart, whether you believe this is a real art school or not. Please visit patreon.com/KLAIRE-LOCKHEART to find other painting-related videos, including how to mix paint and prepare canvases.